equal groups because we have 10, 10, 10, 10, 8.
Okay.
8 is not equal to 10. So.
Okay. So, but that's the number of cubes you have. So how could you switch them? Can you come up with a way to take those 8 cubes to put them with the others to make an equal group somehow?
Like this. Put the 2 cubes here, 2 cubes here.
Okay, show me.
2 cubes here and 2 cubes here.
Okay, now do you have equal groups?
Yes.
Okay, how would you draw that out?
You draw it out like this. You do 4 groups, and then you put 1, 2, 3, you put 6, and you put actually 2, 4, you put 12 in each group because each one is worth 2, so 2 on each. So then it would be 12, and then 5 groups of 12. Wait, no. 4 groups of 12.
Okay.
12, 24, 36, 48.
Okay, can you draw that out for me?
Yeah.
Okay.